Once you have logged in to the website, you can go to the employee portal. Clicking here, you'll see here that you want to log in to the Human Resource Portal. This will take you to the front end. You'll notice that you can look up employees here. You can see the overview, who's out of the office. You'll see the calendar, and you'll see a Take Leave button. If you click that, you can request vacation time. Do not worry about what this says on how many available leave you have. You select the date you want to the day you want to come back, and you can type a note here. And send a leave request. The leave request will go for review, and then you will receive a confirmation email that your leave has been accepted, and that is how you take leave.